Okay, for our flat panel doors, we're going to utilize a roller 9-inch and brush. You're going to want to apply it first to the door. You're going to put a little pressure on it, and then we're going to take our paintbrush and we're going to go over it and leave the graining in the door. Cut in the hinge, go all the way down, cut the hinge in, and then go all the way up and leave the graining of the paintbrush in there. You want that nice graining. Go all the way up, all the way back down, go right over that door, really quick. Time sensitive. We want to utilize the paintbrush and we want to leave the graining of the bristles in the door. Go around the doorknob, go right underneath it, go right behind it, just like that. We want to leave the graining of the paintbrush in there. See how it's roller? See how it's graining? You want to leave the graining in there. There you go. We're going to use the same method to do this door right. So you're going to grab your 9-inch roller. You're going to apply the paint quickly first. Apply it to the surface of the door. Same as we do walls. It's the same way that we roll walls. Apply the product first. Now grab your slanted brush. I already cut in the hinges. Now give the graining of the, see how it's semi-gloss? Okay, cut in your hinge, cut that in, all the way down. Now let's leave the graining. Can you see where it's grained and where it's rolled? Well, we don't want to leave the door all rolly looking. We don't want to leave the door with the roller. We want to leave it with the grain. Now we want to feather over the roller marks and we want to leave graining up and down the whole door. So you're going to do it just like this, really quickly. Leave it just like that. Do all graining. Awesome. Do you see the nice graining? When that dries, it's going to look professionally painted. So this neck panel, the flat panel door, we're going to cut it in really quick. So go ahead and cut your bottom in really quick. Time sensitive job. Go ahead and cut in around behind your handle. It's already been taken off, so it's loose and you can get the bristles behind it. Now we're going to go ahead and throw the roller on it really quick. Just get the paint. Apply the product first. Don't be afraid to put some pressure on the roller. All right, don't be afraid. Apply the product. Now let's feather it off. Grab your brush and go all the way up and all the way down. And let's get it. Nice bristle stroke of the paintbrush grains in there. This is how professional painters do it. We don't leave the roller texture on the door. That would be a hack job. Now that door is done and we have all the graining in there. That's very important for when it dries. That will look like a professional paint job. We're all done with the roller, so we're going to go clean this out immediately so it doesn't dry and ruin your nap.